Hello, this is Heather from Next Owner Automotive. Here is the 2021 Infiniti QX80 Premium Select. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the vehicle so that you can see it. So it's got this kind of, this is that Premium Select. They added that. As you can see, it has the backup sensors. If I can talk. It also has the step sides that are included. You got your front sensors, front cameras. Alright, I'm going to show you the tread. It's good. That wheel is really good. There's a little it just is shiny. See anything on that wheel either. Tread looks good. Same here. Alright, as you can see, and then roof. And the undercarriage. Alright. I just locked it. Now I unlocked it. I have the key on me. So here has that pretty wood grain interior. Seats are well taken care of. We have all the controls, heated steering wheel, and that's where you would also open the trunk. Let me turn it on real quick. Got all the cup holders. It's got a lot of space. Alright, and then there's your map. And then there is the view. And then, let's see, change view. You can do, so it has, you can see the side mirror, just the backup, and then the view we had a minute ago. You can connect your phone. You got the heated seats. Let's see, audio. It also has the Bose system. A good stereo system. The sunroof. Let me show you the back. So here. So it has the captain's chairs. You have some USBs they can control back here also. And then there's the third row. It also comes with those nice mats right there. power lift gate. You can also fold down the back seats. So I don't know if you're, will use the third row all the time or not, but if not, then you can split it on either side. There is a 12 volt right there. There's I think the tire is actually, there's your spare tire. So I'm just going to show it to you one more time. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. It's one of my favorites. Well, again, this is Heather from Next Owner. Let me know what you think. We'd love to deliver this right to your house.